Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well, and I got a nice recipe for you again today, meat and peas, which is better known as Matar Gosht. A beautiful recipe is. Stay with me guys, and I'm going to get straight into it. Okay guys, I'm going to make a start. What I'm going to do is use the pressure cooker to start it off to make the process a bit faster. I've already boiled the mutton to give it a bit of a clean, and I've chucked that water away, rinsed it and washed the mutton. So I'm going to add the mutton in it. There's about just over a kg there of mutton. Okay guys, once I put the mutton in, I'm going to add about 2 big tomatoes, about 3 medium onions cut up, about 12 garlic cloves, and I've got ginger cubes there, 3 ginger cubes, which is about 3 tablespoons. Pour them all in. Oops. Okay guys, once I've added the tomatoes and the onions and the ginger in, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, a few cardamoms and a few cloves, about 3 of each cardamoms and cloves. 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, also known as zira. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, also known as haldi. 1 teaspoon of salt, or salt to taste. And one glass of water. And just give it a bit of a mix. Okay guys, once I've given it a mix, I'll put the top on of the pressure cooker and let this cook until it's virtually done, and then I'll just finish it off after. Okay guys, this has been cooking in the pressure cooker for about 20 minutes, and I checked it once in between as well, and it was virtually ready, and I'll give it another 5 minutes. So let the steam out, and I'm going to finish it off now. Oh, that smells nice. Yes, nice colour as well. Okay, I've let it cook for a couple of minutes without the lid on. I'm going to add some oil into it now. 1 cup of oil into it, cooking oil. Give it a bit of a mix. Just a quick mix. Lovely dish this is, especially when the peas go in. Tastes nice, tastes awesome. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes since I put that oil in, and I've been good cooking it, and I'm going to put some peas into it now. So that's 1 cup of peas. Give it a mix. Wonderful dish, sounds beautiful this. Look at that. Beautiful colour on it as well. Okay guys, I'll put the peas in and let it cook for about another 10 minutes with the peas in there. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Just give it a mix once you put the coriander seeds in. Wow, amazing dish it is. One way of getting your fibre a day in. The veg, obviously the peas. Wonderful dish. Give that a mix. And then add some water in it, depending on how thick you want the gravy or how thin. So I put about 3/4 of a cup of water in that. Just let that cook in there now with that water. Let that simmer away for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, once I've added the water to it, I'll let it cook for about 6-7 minutes on a high heat, and then I'll turn it to a low heat and I'm going to let it simmer away. While it's simmering away, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, also known as kasuri methi, and a teaspoon of garam masala, and about 4 green chilies cut up, and about 1/4 of a cup of coriander. Give that a mix. Once you've mixed it, just put the lid on and let it cook for a bit more. I'm going to put the lid on, let it cook for about 5 minutes on a very low heat. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes since I've put the lid on and let it simmer away. So I'm just going to check it now. And if the oils come to the top, it's ready. That looks nice. Okay guys, that's ready, that is. So I'm going to turn it off and take it out and show you, because the oils come to the top. Wonderful dish, smells beautiful. It's up to yourselves. You can have the gravy a bit drier, just let it simmer a bit more until the water dries up in it. But I like it like this, so I'm going to leave it at that. Mashallah guys, the matar gosht is ready, the peas and the meat. Beautiful dish it is, and it's come out wonderful. Look at it. Absolute amazing dish it is, tastes beautiful. You gotta have a go guys. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum.